Geek Speak Show at San Diego Comic-Con 2016 here with Wynonna Earp's daddy, I guess you could say, his creator, Bo Smith. Hi, Bo. How you doing?
I'm staying out of trouble.
And you know who this is if you watch the show, Doc Holliday, Tim Rozon. How you doing, Tim?
I'm doing great. Just in case you don't know, I'm trying to make it easy for everybody.
Show him your shirt first of all. Move that thing out of the way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, right.
He's got Peacemaker.
Got to represent, guys.
Exactly.
Definitely.
So for you guys, is this your first Comic-Con or you've been here before?
Tim?
For me, this is the first Comic-Con, and it's been a long time coming. Let me tell you, I've been waiting for this forever. I've collected comic books since I'm 9 years old. I've got long boxes at home. This is the dream I've been waiting for, and now I'm here. I'm standing next to Bo Smith talking to you guys at Comic-Con 2016, and I'm living the dream.
This is getting better than that.
It really doesn't.
Now, Bo, for you, now that you've seen the show, we've seen our reaction to the show, how is it for you as its creator?
As a creator, it's beyond a dream come true. This is beyond anything I could have even written myself in a script. So I am extremely happy. We've got a smart cast, a smarter even writing. You know, Emily Andras as a showrunner, just amazing, and it makes me look good. So anything that will make me look good, I'm extremely happy because Father Time has already beat the crap out of me. So this is excellent.
You still look good.
I don't know about that, partner.
Yeah, not flirting or anything. I'm just saying.
No.
Not Tim, for you, now that you've seen the reaction, like especially like at a Comic-Con, how does that make you feel when you get that reaction from the fans?
It's so hard. There's not words to express a feeling that you didn't think you could feel before, and it's strange because I keep feeling new feelings of just being humbled and happy, and like there's levels of happiness that I didn't think were possible, and I keep feeling it. Like just sometimes I'm walking around here by myself, and I'm just like, you're at Comic-Con, man. You're on a show at Comic-Con, and it's overwhelming. It's amazing.
Yeah. So I hope you guys keep enjoying it. Keep writing the more stuff. Keep having fun. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you so much.